Guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another video installing Windows in VirtualBox. Now dive into the browser and in the search bar click Windows IS4 file download and click on the first link that is shown, and in the Windows options click on Windows 10, right click and click on inspect. Now tap on toggle device toolbar, and in the left side in the dimensions options click on Galaxy 4. Now refresh it once, then select Windows 10 edition, confirm it, it will validate, and then select the language English International, and once again confirm. It will validate, it will take some time. Now select 64-bit download. Now the file is getting downloaded. Now in the VirtualBox click on new. In the name section write it as Windows 10, and then next. Here in base memory it must be 8000 plus MB, and process 2, and click on next. Now finish. Now it's shown that the window is powered off. In the settings section click on network and select bridged adapter, click on OK. Now start the Windows 10. Here while it is opening it will take some time. Now here in VirtualBox VM and DVD, here select on options other, and select the file that we have downloaded, that is Windows 10 English International version which we have downloaded, and click on mount and reboot. Here it will take some time to reboot. It will take some time to open. Now in keyboard or input method select English India as an option. Select that option. Click on next. Now click on install now. Here setup is starting. As we are not having any product key, click on I don't have a product key option, and then this will be displayed, and then select the option Windows 10 Home 64. Now check the box and click on next. Now click on custom and next. Now here now the Windows is installing. It will take some time. Our files are getting ready for installation. Now it is installed. Now it's getting ready. It's starting the services. If you don't know how to install VirtualBox, there is a video, a link in the description. Please follow that link and install VirtualBox. Now click on United Kingdom and click next. Wait for a moment. Click on United English India and click on next. Here click on skip. Guys, please wait patiently. It is getting ready. Please don't turn off your device while it is getting ready. Now here enter mail ID by creating an account and click on create account. Here what happens is select your mail. Instead of selecting your personal mail, you can also select from temp mails. Here I am using temp mail. Then click on next and here create a password. Our email ID and password should not be same. Now after selecting the password, country select India and here select your date of birth. And click on next. Here for your temp mail you will be getting a code. Enter that code in this box and next. Click on next. Here similar to the temp mail, there are temp phone numbers. If you want, you can give temp phone numbers for this option. Similar to the temp mail, you will be getting a code likewise to the phone number also. Click next. Now create a pin. Now here set up a pin. Click on next. Wait for a moment. Here click an option not now. Here click on yes, accept, and then click on no, accept, and from send diagnostic data to Microsoft, click on the option and click next. Improve linking or typing, click on no and accept. Here click yes and accept, yes and accept, and wait a moment. Here click an option skip and then click on remind me later. Wait for a moment, then continue. as we are not using 365 purchased version, now click on decline 365, and here also click on decline. Wait for a moment. Here click on no thanks. Here click on not now. It's almost done. Wait for a moment. Now it's getting started. Please don't turn off your PC. It started. Now here in VirtualBox we got a Windows install. Enjoy your Windows in VirtualBox. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for more videos on cyber security news and awareness, follow our channel. Thanks for watching.